Hi there, my name is Kim Nishida and I am with howtodoitnow.com, and today's video is titled How to Easily Create and Edit Graphics Using Pixlr.com. That's P-I-X-L-R, hard to say. Let's just dive right into it, and I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Like, here is Pinterest, and you probably see this all the time. There's lots of cool quotations, like quotes with pictures and images, and you might be wondering, well, how do people get all these quotes? And then you see them as well on Facebook. This is my Facebook timeline page, and I've got some graphics on here that I created myself. You know, you can put whatever quotes you want, things that you've written down, or your favorite quotes from someone else. And it's really easy to do, and I'm going to show you right now how to do that with, again, this cool free online tool. Again, it's Pixlr.com, so that's P as in Paul, I-X-L-R.com. And it looks just like this. You pull it up on your Mac or your PC, and you've got these three different options. And right now, what I'm going to show you is how to use the Pixlr Express, or quote-unquote efficient option. So all you do, you don't have to log in or anything or opt in. You just click this link, and it opens up this pane. And then what you're going to do is, if you have a picture already, you can download it from your computer. If you have an image from the internet, it's on your web server or something like that, you can do that here, or you can take a new picture with your webcam. So what I'm going to do, the most common thing is, hopefully you've got an image you want to use. I'm going to say browse, just click on that. It's going to open up my folders on my computer. I'm going to select an image by clicking on it and then click open. So it's going to upload that image right away. Now, typically if you want to add text, very, very simple. You've got all these options down here at the bottom. What you're going to do is click the one on the far right that says text. So you click it, and then it comes up with all these different font types. Okay, so you can kind of play with it and investigate which fonts work best for you. Let's just, for fun, let's click on retro. And it's going to load this whole thing up for you, and it's going to tell you how you can justify it, the color you can change, things like that. What I'm going to do is just click in here in the box that says type your text here. And I'm going to say, let's see, learn the secrets to a stress-free business. So let me see. Let me pick a font. There we go. So right here, you need to pick a font first. And these are all the retro fonts. So I'm going to pick Airstream. Now, it's loaded my phrase in there. Obviously, you can see it's not really fitting in there. So you can resize and move things around just by clicking little arrows. So say I know, well, you know, I want it to fit in this space here. So I need to have a return somewhere. Or maybe I want my font a little bigger. So what I'm going to do is go back down here to where my text is typed. And I'm going to enter a hard return. So that's going to go ahead and do that. And then if I want to make it bigger, I can move it around. Again, same thing. You could just resize it to how it's going to fit in your space. You can reposition the text, and you can change the text, the font itself. So say I don't like Airstream and I want to go with BP script. That's going to change the layout. So again, you can just go ahead and resize anything you want to do. There's a whole lot of fonts in here. I mean, it's pretty fun, the things you can do. Again, just resize as needed. Shrink it down. You can change the color. Let's see if I can show you how to do that. As I try to make it a little smaller. Oh, there we go. You can click here to change the color and do a color picker, whatever color you want to have. Click apply. So that's going to set it up in there. So now I've got my font in there, my text, and you can do other things as well. You can add a fancy border. If you click on border, it's going to show you all the different categories and different options. If I pick white ripped, and then it's going to show me, let's pick Elba. There you go. So there's my kind of funky border. And again, I need to click apply. And if you make a mistake, say you don't want that border, you can just go ahead and click cancel. It's going to go away. Let's see, let's put that back in there though. Say we do want that one. I'm going to click apply. Okay, and here's my image. So let's say that's all I need to do. Again, there's other fun things. Like I would tell you to go ahead and look at adjustment. You can do a lot of fine tuning there. Effect is kind of fun. You can add different colors or make it look, and I'll show you right here what it's going to look like. Kind of gives you a preview of how it's going to look. Say if you want it to look more kind of old-fashioned, has a tint to it, definitely makes it more unique. So it's not just some stock photo from the internet. So again, click apply for anything you want to save. And then once you're done with all your changes and everything and you've kind of played around with it, you're going to make sure you go up here to this upper left corner. You're going to click, again, save. And it's going to ask you, well, what name do you want to save it as? And I'll say stress-free. And I'm going to click again, save. And then it's going to show up a little pop-up window. I'm working on a Mac, by the way, just so you know. It might look a little different for you on your PC. It's going to save it to me on my desktop, and I'm going to click save. And that's all there is to it. So if I were to go to open that image, it's going to look exactly like this. I'm going to click close, and then I can start all over again. So that's how you can then take your images, upload it to Facebook, upload it to Pinterest, or wherever else you want to have it. You can add it, you can create graphics that you want for your website. You can create graphics for a special report or some sort of product you want to do. Really, it's kind of unlimited what you want to do with that. Again, I think that's it. How to easily create and edit graphics using Pixlr.com. Again, my name is Kim Nishida, and I'm with How to Do It Now. Hope you found this video helpful.